This study aims to show that a cheap and straightforward tool, the rigid tube for laryngoscopy, could be efficiently used for tracheal intubation in patients with poor glottis visualization during conventional laryngoscopy.
A prevalent mistake when one deals with an unexpected, problematic airway is to insist on the same tool and the same method, only to realize that it's not working and the situation is getting worse by promoting edema or bleeding. The retromolar or paraglossal approach is an alternative to the majority of the rigid instruments used for tracheal intubation, which follow the midline to access the glottis. We had the idea of testing this tool when we anesthetized a patient with a grade 4 glottic visualization at conventional laryngoscopy according to the Cormack-Lehane classification. Since the rigid tube was prepared to investigate this patient, we tried it using the retromolar approach and obtained a perfect glottis view.
The rigid tube for laryngoscopy is a 15 to 25 centimeters long, straight, hollow tube, round in shape, with a diameter of 5 to 20 millimeters and a bevel end distally. An intermediate piece that has a prismatic light deflector with a connection to a light source is attached to the proximal end of the rigid tube. When in use, the image is obtained directly looking through this assemble. The patient lies on the operating